With August Smart Lock, your phone is now your key. August lets you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. It's that easy. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. And with August's proprietary DoorSense technology, you'll know your door is both closed and locked. Create secure temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys. Available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.
A lot happens at your front door. With a Ring Video Doorbell, you'll never miss a visitor.
Hi, Shelly. You home?
You know what? I'm at the store. I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Hello?
Oh, hey, thought I missed you. Got a couple packages for you.
Oh, great. Can you put it around back, please?
Anytime, from anywhere, Ring keeps you connected to the things that matter most.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, you guys. Text me what you want for dinner.
Okay.
Home security starts at your front door. The Ring Video Doorbell features HD video, two-way talk, and customizable motion detection, which alerts you when anyone steps onto your property.
Hi there. What can I do for you?
Is this 217 Pine Street?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
Sorry.
Ring puts home security in your hands and makes it easy to watch over your property. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home.
It happens every morning, and when you're late, and on your way out the door. But what if you never needed a key again? And what if your lock could connect to your phone, so you knew who came and went? What if the company that's reinventing the home worked with the company that invented the lock as we know it? Introducing the Yale Linus Lock.
Kwikset's SmartCode 916 touchscreen electronic deadbolt is the ultimate in touchscreen security. This sleek and elegantly designed, secure, innovative lock, supported by Kwikset's rich heritage as a trusted brand, provides a wealth of features and benefits that outshine the competition. The capacitive touchscreen is ultra-responsive, reacting instantly to touch. Illuminated at night by LEDs, it's just as visible during the day, and its sleek metal frame gives the lock a slim exterior profile. The robust locking features of the SmartCode 916 include one-touch locking enabled by a motorized deadbolt, 30 user codes, and optional auto lock that initiates after 30 seconds. The interior assembly has a dramatically reduced size protected by a tamper-resistant cover secured with anti-tamper screws. The whole lock is BHMA Grade 2 certified, has a 20-minute fire rating, and a backup cylinder for traditional key operation. And when needed, Kwikset's proprietary Smart Key technology provides an easy 3-step method to rekey the backup cylinder. Enhanced security features of the SmartCode 916 include optional secure screen that ensures there are fingerprints on all numbers of the touchscreen so codes can't be identified by simply examining the screen for a pattern, and an optional master code that, when enabled, adds a level of superior programming control over who may add or delete user codes. The SmartCode 916 touchscreen electronic deadbolt installs in minutes with just a screwdriver. No hardwiring required, and it's easy to use. This advanced lock stands alone as a total security solution, or when integrated into a comprehensive home automation system, can be remotely locked and unlocked. With one-touch locking, life is simpler and more convenient without carrying a key. Simple and easy meets style and innovation. Kwikset SmartCode 916 touchscreen electronic deadbolt is the ultimate in touchscreen security.
The Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt is designed to provide peace of mind from anywhere. It works with your phone, your voice, your finger, and even a key. It connects directly to your home's Wi-Fi in seconds to provide smartphone control from anywhere, eliminating the need for additional adapters, which saves you time and money. So gain peace of mind and upgrade your home to the safety, simplicity, and style of Schlage.
How do you make a smart home even smarter? By adding the security and convenience of a Schlage Connect Smart Deadbolt. Featuring Z-Wave Plus technology, the Schlage Connect Smart Deadbolt offers extended range, lower battery consumption, and enhanced encryption for added security. Best of all, it connects easily with industry-leading smart home automation systems that can enable voice control through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant devices. Available in a variety of styles and finishes, the Schlage Connect Smart Deadbolt is easy to install, features the highest residential security ratings, storage for up to 30 access codes, and a built-in alarm. Our lifetime guarantee gives you the peace of mind that comes with over 95 years of Schlage innovation. The Schlage Connect Smart Deadbolt with Z-Wave Plus enables a simple, secure connection to your smart home. Find the perfect combination of safety, simplicity, and style for your home on Amazon.
Installing your new Kevo smart lock is simple and easy. Before you start, please gather all tools and materials required and familiarize yourself with the lock parts. Do not use an electric drill or electric screwdriver to tighten the screws. Step 1. Adjust the backset. Extend the latch bolt by rotating the D-shaped crank so the curve is facing up. Hold the latch in front of the door hole with the latch face flush against the door edge. If the D-shaped crank is centered in the hole, then no adjustment is required. If the D-shaped crank isn't centered, twist the latch to the longer setting. Step 2. Install the latch and strike. To properly position the latch, make sure the word "up" is facing upward. Install the latch in the door with the shorter wood screws provided. Or if using the drive-in latch with the bolt retracted, use a hammer and wood block to tap into position. Re-extend the latch bolt. Attach the strike with the 2 long screws and 2 short screws provided, making sure to install the longer screws closest to the door jamb. Step 3. Install the exterior deadbolt. Measure the diameter of the borehole. If the diameter is 2 1/8 of an inch, you will need to attach the provided adapter ring to the deadbolt as shown. For diameters that measure 1 1/2 inch, you will not need the adapter. Holding the deadbolt with its logo upright, route the cable underneath the latch. Insert the torque blade through the latch by aligning the D shape of the torque blade with the crank. Firmly position the exterior deadbolt onto the door. Step 4. Install the mounting plate. Thread the cable and torque blade through the center hole of the mounting plate and position the mounting plate so it's flush against the door. Slide the cable into the small notch below the center hole. Secure the mounting plate to the door so that it's parallel with the door edge. Step 5. Install the interior assembly. Make certain the turnpiece on the interior assembly is in the vertical position. Remove the cover and battery pack. Push the blue connector onto the ports of the interior assembly. Make sure the connector clicks into place. Tuck the cable into the interior housing. Note: if you need to remove the cable, you may use the lever on the connector to pull it out of the interior assembly. Align the torque blade with the turnpiece shaft and push the interior assembly flush against the door. Insert the small screws into the lower holes on the interior assembly and tighten to secure the interior assembly to the mounting plate. Step 6. Handing the deadbolt. This step is crucial for proper operation. With the batteries properly installed in the battery pack, press and hold the program button while inserting the battery pack. Once the battery pack is installed, you will hear a long beep. Press the program button again. The lock will perform a door handing process during which it will retract and extend the deadbolt latch to determine proper handing. The status LED will blink green when the process is complete. If the status LED blinks red, remove the battery pack and repeat this step. Step 7. Pair your smartphone to your Kevo smart lock.
Follow the instructions inside the Kevo app to create an account. Enroll your first smartphone and send e-keys to family and friends. Step 8. Install the interior cover. The interior cover will be installed over the interior assembly with 3 screws. The window on the interior cover is locked by default to prevent someone from tampering with your lock settings. If desired, you may remove the security screw from the window so that it can slide up for quick access to the buttons on the interior while the cover is installed. Your Kevo smart lock is now ready to use. For more information about your Kevo smart lock, visit our website or call our toll-free customer support number.
Installing your new Kwikset SmartCode 888 touchpad electronic deadbolt is simple and easy. Before you start, gather all tools and materials required and familiarize yourself with the lock parts. Warning: do not use an electric drill or electric screwdriver to tighten screws. Step 1. Adjust the backset. To determine which setting to use, extend the bolt by rotating the D-shaped crank so the curve is facing up, and hold the latch in front of the door hole with the latch face flush against the door edge. If the D-shaped crank is centered in the hole, then no adjustment is required. If the D-shaped crank isn't centered, twist the latch to the longer setting. Step 2. Install the latch and strike. To properly position the latch, make sure the word "up" is facing upward. Install the latch on the door with the shorter wood screws provided, or if using the drive-in latch with the bolt retracted, use a hammer and wood block to tap into position. Re-extend the latch bolt. Attach the strike with the 2 long screws and 2 short screws provided, making sure to install the longer screws closest to the door jamb. Step 3. Prepare the exterior keypad. If the diameter of the borehole is 2 1/8 of an inch, you will need to attach the provided adapter ring to the keypad as shown. For diameters that measure 1 1/2 inch, you will not need the adapter ring. Step 4. Install the exterior assembly and mounting plate. Route the cable underneath the latch. Insert the torque blade through the latch by aligning the D shape of the torque blade with the crank. Firmly position the exterior assembly onto the door. Thread the cable and torque blade through the center hole of the mounting plate, and position the mounting plate so it's flush against the door. Slide the cable into the small notch at the bottom. Secure the mounting plate to the door and exterior assembly with the mounting bolts so it's parallel with the door edge. Insert the key and test the latch. If the latch doesn't operate smoothly, adjust the mounting screws. Remove the key when finished and make sure the latch bolt is once again extended. Step 5. Disassemble the interior assembly. Make sure the turn piece is in the vertical position and remove the cover. Make sure that the turn piece shaft is oriented as shown. Remove and set aside the battery pack for later installation. Step 6. Install the interior assembly. Align the white arrows on the 2 cable connectors and firmly push them together. Make sure the cables are clear of pinching and route excess cable flat across the bottom of the interior housing as shown. Align the torque blade with the turn piece shaft and push the interior assembly flush against the door. Insert and tighten the small screws to secure the interior assembly onto the mounting plate. Step 7. Install the batteries and perform the door handing process. This step is crucial for proper operation. Load the batteries into the battery pack, ensuring the correct polarity. With the door open, insert the battery pack into the interior assembly. The SmartCode mechanism will automatically drive the bolt in and out several times to determine proper handing. Step 8. Perform the inclusion process. Initiate the inclusion process at the controller. Refer to your control system instructions for more information. When prompted, press button A on the lock 1 time to include it in your system. Step 9. Install the interior cover. The interior cover will be installed over the interior assembly with 3 screws. The window on the interior cover is locked by default to prevent someone from tampering with your lock settings. If desired, you may remove the security screw from the window so that it can slide up for quick access to the batteries and buttons on the interior while the cover is installed. Lock settings and user codes can now be programmed by following the detailed instruction sheet provided. If needed, refer to the supplied smart key instructions to rekey the lock to your existing key. Your Kwikset SmartCode 888 touchpad electronic deadbolt is ready for use.